We've been using Intentwise for, 5 years or so. And as Intentwise has been expanding all the technology, we've been just kind of following lead, utilizing all of their services and increasing technology. Specifically, MCP was just something that I was a little bit nervous about. Thought it would be difficult to connect. And then I ended up going to the AI course with Intentwise, and I actually was able to connect it in 5 seconds or so, like maybe 10 seconds. It was very quick, seamless process. It was really just the Intentwise team that helped me get educated about MCP, because I was utilizing Claude and just exporting everything on my own, which did take a lot of time. And then once we actually got it activated, saved even more time on top of the time Intentwise was already saving me. Realistically, like having those data connections, just getting the data and also exporting it would probably take me, depending on how many reports I'm building, like 15 to 30 minutes just to get all the reports solidified with the right time frames and the week over week data. And now it's just a simple prompt. So it's really just the AI handling time that is really an issue at this point, because it's just all connected. I'd say it's just on the reporting aspect where Intentwise was already saving me multiple hours a day. Integrating MCP has saved me an additional time for every brand report, which could probably go out to an extra 3 to 5 hours a week on top of that, maybe even more. And I'm able to think in different ways and also ask more questions as data is more prevalent and available, and kind of look and expand that extra time into further reporting and also further strategy for the brands, and build out cooler reports with the data present, because it's just at the touch of my fingertips. So there's multiple different aspects I use it for. Just generating for clients, like you can build out a nice dashboard just for a week over week overview. If you really want to get in depth, like exporting, all of your search terms with just typing in a prompt, then you can really see what you need to negate, what you need to focus on in terms of just organic ranking value, sponsored ranking value. I remember when I was actually just inside the course that you guys were doing, I had everything connected, and I was like, I wonder if this could do a bottoms-up unit forecast for all of my Amazon brands within the next 30 minutes. I asked the proper questions, I had the proper prompts, and I've trained my Claude pretty well. And it actually got it done probably within like 10 minutes or so. So not even just helping me with search terms, finding like keywords with high search volume to go after, or what's working well that might have been missed. Also identifying a lot of wasted ad spend, keywords at the touch of a button, but helping with forecasting and everything like that as well. Bottoms up unit, like it's just a completely different game changer. Where before, even it was difficult to find the manual reports to even upload all those things. And there's also time where you actually have to wait for the reports to download on top of that. So just having the full integration with typing prompts is really alleviating towards forecasting, and it's actually very accurate. It's helped me identify wasted spend and negate it right on the spot, and then also identify different placement values that we can toggle for campaigns, which can take a lot if you have like a big account with like 400 campaigns. And then just high value search terms, just lots of insights into lots of different data, and it allowed us to really kind of structure a whole Amazon business just with the information that we can gather at the touch of a button and a prompt. If you really want to get deep into it, you could see utilizing path to conversion. That's one of the things that I always like to see, where if it's like a product with a higher price point, they're probably going to stay on the page a little bit longer. So being able to ask how long is someone dwelling on my page, which could actually even lead to further creative optimizations for the products and the brands, or the Amazon listing itself. So just untraditional type questions that could lead to some creative changes, and then also just checking conversion rate, everything like that. So as you guys start to get MCP integrated with other platforms. One of the questions that like brands that are spending on multiple platforms are always trying to figure out is the omni-channel flywheel to Amazon and what that truly looks like. And I feel if you have the MCP connectors to Meta, TikTok, everything else, YouTube, I feel like you'd actually be able to do a good job at understanding that correlation with the increase in spend on other platforms, and then also looking at the increase in sessions on Amazon along with organic.